everyone. A pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen. This lady is taking General Academic Strand of AC Alcinaga. At bago pa natin lisanin ang apat ng entabladong ito, may isa po lamang po akong pagkakatandaan at tamang katotohanan lamang po. Beauty is being the best possible version of yourself on the inside and out. This is Sabana Gachiturana, 50 years old stunner, and my beloved, my barangay, Cararayan, City of Naga. Hello? A lady standing in front of you is brave enough to face this beautiful scenery so proud. I am here just standing before you all guys. I sang 17 years of age at grade 11 student taking General Academic Strand at AC Alcinaga. This is Jasmine Perez. At bago ko po lisanin ang apat na sulok na entabladong ito, nais ko po na pong mag-iwan ng hindi po bastos at hindi rin po nakakatawa, ngunit pawang katotohanan lamang. Naraul, bakla, o 150 pa man, kahit ano pa pong lait ang itawag nyo sa amin, amin ang gabing ito. Tagahanga lang po namin kayo. At hindi po natin matatakasan ang katotohanan. Mula agahan, pananghalian at maging hapunan, ang baklang inyong kinukutsa, ngayong gabi, inyo nang pinapalakpakan. At sino suportahan? Thank you and good evening.
Good evening, everyone. This is Ashley Zias. I'm 17 years old from beloved Barangay Cararayan, City of Naga.
Aanihin ko naman ang aking kagandahan. Kung ang manauna sa akin ay mga mukha namang tikbala. A pleasant evening, everyone, people of La Presa. This is Chanel Ulanday, 17-old stunner, proud to be represent my beloved Barangay Cararayan, City of Naga. Again, good evening and thank you so much.